Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden wall decorations. Wooden wall decorations have become a popular and timeless choice for adding character and charm to interior spaces. These versatile pieces of art have the ability to transform plain, uninspiring wall into focal points that reflect a homeowner's personality and style. Whether you're looking to create a rustic, modern, or traditional ambiance, wooden wall decorations offers an array of design options that can elevate any room. One of the most appealing aspects of wooden wall decorations is their versatility. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and styles, making it easy to find the perfect piece that complements your existing decor. From intricately carved wooden panels to simple rustic signs, there is a wooden wall decoration to suit every taste and aesthetic. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, wooden wall decorations are prized for their durability and longevity. Quality wooden pieces are built to last, making them a worthwhile investment. Unlike other wall decor options that may need frequent updates, wooden pieces retain their beauty and character over time. They also tend to age gracefully, developing a patina that adds to their overall charm. Wooden wall decorations are also highly customizable. You can easily personalize them with your choice of stains, paints, or finishes to match your interior color scheme. Furthermore, many artists and craftsmen offer custom designs and personalized engraving, allowing you to create one-of-a-kind pieces that tell a story or convey a message that is meaningful to you. These decorations have a warm and inviting quality that can bring a touch of nature to indoors. The organic texture and earthy tones of wood create a cozy and comforting atmosphere. Whether you prefer reclaimed wood with a weathered look or a polished, glossy finish, wooden wall decorations have the power to create harmonious ambiance within your living spaces. Wooden wall decorations can also serve functional purposes. Wall-mounted shelves, cord hooks, and key holders made from wood not only add visual interest but also provide practical storage solutions. This dual-purpose aspect makes them an ideal choice for those seeking both form and function in their decor. Wooden wall decorations are a classic and versatile way to enhance the beauty of your living spaces. With their timeless appeal, durability, customizability, and the warmth they bring to a room, they are a design choice that can withstand the test of time. Whether you're aiming to create a rustic retreat or a contemporary haven, wooden wall decorations offer a plethora of options to express your individual style and make your house feel like a home. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.